Hi there, I'm Joseph De Rosa of English 102, and this is my report on my English 102 presentation. For all the research that I have collected, my professor from Critical Reading 101 at CGCC explained to me that critical reading is an important key to English 102. My critical reading professor taught me various ways of speech that we use in everyday writing. From the lessons that I learned is that we have many concepts that either interfere or support our reports. Denial is a key concept that affects our decisions and affects our critical reading skills. With denial, it is the idea of us failing to acknowledge the negative and harmful information which clouds our judgment, making us one-sided to a claim. This will highly affect our critical reading, and we can miss details that can go well with argumentative essays and such. But as denial with its hindrance to our critical thinking, there are also some strategies that help strengthen our rebuttals and our research. Take a group think, for example. It means discussing a matter with members that can relate to the same topic and confirm and reinforce a collective opinion. This is the type of strategy that helps us find hidden context and clues a fast reader may skim over and miss the powerful and supportive details that can make all the difference to a big detail found. Take a reading a book about the Revolutionary War, for example. You can do a whole lot of research from the key events at the beginning, as well as your teammates might have some other clues that were skimmed over, and you can find more details and find more collective data and have lengthy, more stronger supported claim. And from the book of How to Be a Critical Thinker is that critical reading is meant to help us see the missing details and avoiding our biased statements, reading without being biased, so we can find more details and we can elaborate more on items we need to find. And the program helps us read books a lot faster and skim through a lot of details and trying to find important ideas that stand out. And the purpose of it is to push us into finding more adequate information. This should be done because changes that should be done is like reducing the amount of books that need to be read in order for us to find more time and to take a more directive approach into finding more collected details. That is all I have, and thank you for reading.